Jenica.
Dito po talaga ako dadaan.
Jenica here. Ang ganda naman ito. Jenny, ito pala si Jenica, oh.
Miss Jenica Garcia!
Ako lang pala mag-isa dito sa mga. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat. Ang dami niyo po pala. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Papaunlakan ko kayo mamaya kung anong tatanungin at sasagutin po natin. Very happy ako. Sobrang honored na parte pa rin ako ng pamilya ng Bioessence. Nagsimula ako dito, 17 ako. I'm turning 35 already and dito pa rin. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Bioessence. And according to Sir Joe, of course, you really embody what Bioessence is about. What can you say about that?
Siyempre, hiyang-hiya tayo kasi talagang pinuulanan niya tayo ng lahat ng compliment sa mundo. Parang lahat ng adjective pinili talaga ni Joe. Pero, ayun, siyempre sobrang grateful ako. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Bioessence. Nakakatuwa na I feel that the way Bioessence and I sees beauty is the same. Kumbaga, it's not anti-aging, but more of healthy aging. It's about embracing parang imperfections and seeing the beauty of it all. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi bibihira yung mag-endorse ka or you will be a part of a brand na you also strongly believe in.
And I really like what you said about this. It's healthy aging. It's high time that we embrace aging beautifully. Thank you for reminding everybody here that now Miss Jenica, being the newest Bioessence ambassador, and as we've known, Miss Jean Garcia, your mom, was also an ambassador for Bioessence.
Yes, siya talaga ang nauna.
And how does it feel that you are now the named newest ambassador of the brand?
Nakakatuwa. And this is not the first time. Kumbaga, second time ko na ito. Tapos nakakatuwa rin sa Bioessence kasi in a way, I feel that they are with me in all my wins. Nung una kong in-endorse yung Bioessence, when I was, I think, 17 or 18 years old, I had my first break as a lead actor for GMA7 at that time under Adik Sayo, partner ko si Dennis Trillo. Tapos tumigil ako sa pag-aartista for 7-8 years. Pagbalik ko, after Dirty Linen, ito na naman si Bioessence.
Welcome back!
I know! So sabi ko, nakakatuwa naman na nakikita ni Bioessence yung milestone ng buhay ko at nagkakasabay din kami. Super happy ko rin for the brand itself, especially to Doktora na talagang reason kung bakit nagsimula yung Bioessence. Kasi ang tagal na rin talaga ng Bioessence sa business. 30 years is 30 years. We have to give it to them that they already know what they are doing when it comes to skin.
And of course, what's the secret to it?
Actually, si Mama, feeling ko yung secret is makinig lang talaga sa mga advice ni Mommy. When I was younger kasi, I wouldn't believe her when she tells me that sleep and water is very important. And ayoko talaga sanang isagot yun. Kasi naalala ko nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, yeah right, sleep and water. Ganun yung nasa isip ko. But once you reach the age of 30 and you get very little sleep, you'll notice how different your skin is the morning you wake up when you get a good night rest. And I'm a strong believer kasi talaga na prevention is really better than cure. So, huwag mong idadahilan sa sarili mo na okay lang, bata naman ako, kaya ko naman yung mga 2-3 hours of sleep. Kasi, hahabulin ka ng fine lines.
Please don't talk about me on stage. Don't attack me.
So, yun, parang ganun talaga. So, yun talaga nakikita ko. And of course, have a healthy and happy disposition. When you're not happy in life, whatever is giving you weight, you have to learn when to let go. Huy! Huy! Naman, hindi, nagbibiro lang po ako. Mamimili tayo ng laban sa buhay. Parang yung mga masyadong mabigat, alamin natin kung kailan sila dapat bitawan at alamin natin kung ano yung dapat nating pinangahawakan para gumigising tayo ng masaya kasi nakikita yun sa mukha natin.
I love that. We got a little pep talk from the Miss Jenica Garcia of new milestones, of more milestones of Bioessence.
Okay, so there will be movies that will play where I am there, meron ding teleserye, but I want to talk about Bioessence now. Gusto ko ibigay ito ng buong buo sa Bioessence. Okay, di ko kasi nakikita yung mga faces exactly ng mga tao dito. But if this video reaches the social media, ma-post to, makita ng mga followers ko, patuloy lang po kayo magtiwala sa akin na hindi ko naman po tayo mag-endorse ng isang bagay na hindi natin pinapaniwalaan, hindi natin gagawin. When I signed with Bioessence, it's because I am all for their non-invasive procedures and treatments. I think it's nice. I mean, I have to say it na, sorry. Parang it's nice na kung paano nag-a-advance yung science. Ang ganda na ang dami na nating options to keep aging at bay and to age beautifully. But because my mom kasi, who is already in her 50s, hindi kasi siya hindi niya agad ginagawang option kasi yung mga treatments na invasive. And because she's aging so beautifully, like fine wine, syempre, idol kayo mami ko. And ang ganda na pareho ng pinaniniwalaan ko, yung pinaniniwalaan din ng Bioessence. While Bioessence have treatments that are age-old practices, tried and true, evidence-based, nakakatuwa din na very innovative din sila. Ang dami nilang naiisip na ways on how to continue offering non-invasive treatments that gives result. So, see you in the nearest Bioessence branch. Salamat po.
Once again, once again, thank you very much to all our media friends, guests here on stage. We would like to